Dr. E.
Would you recommend Dr. E to your family and friends? And what would you say to them?
I would, and I have. So when I see people looking at my mouth, I'm like, you know they're not real, right? 99% of the time they go, what? Like, you can't even tell. If they are interested in something like that, I give them the name and I give them the number and I say, this is who you would go to.
Call Dr. E and Implants for Life for your free, no-obligation dental implant consultation.
Jacoby & Myers was founded in 1972 on the belief that everyone deserves justice. And for over 50 years, we have provided our clients the legal representation and recovery they need to rebuild their lives. If you've been injured, call us today because you deserve justice.
Why astrology is having a major moment next, Tamron Hall.
Now, Southern California's news leader, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Now at 11:30, the first of several days of rain has arrived in Southern California. We are live in our burn scar areas where powerful storms could trigger mudslides. You're watching Eyewitness News at 11:30 live on ABC 7 Hulu and wherever you stream. I'm Colleen Sullivan.
And I'm Philip Palmer. And if you have a cell phone, you might have just received a National Weather Service warning. A flash flood warning is in effect for our area until 2 p.m. That's dangerous and life-threatening. A lot of people's phones have been going off, all a result of multiple storm systems that are moving through our area this week. But today we're feeling the heaviest rainfall, which could put communities in burn scar areas at risk.
And we have live storm track team coverage. Rob Hayes is near the Eaton Fire burn scar, and Sid Garcia is in Camarillo. But we do begin right now with meteorologist Brianna Ruffalo tracking the storm. Brianna?
Hey, good morning. Yeah, we are seeing some pretty strong cells rolling through the Southland now. Live Mega Doppler 7000 showing this line of thunderstorms and at least activity of some heavier rainfall, downpours, gusty winds on Live Mega Doppler 7000 rolling through the West Hollywood area and into some of the foothills now, also through Inglewood. So this has been changing pretty rapidly now. This is the portion of the storm that is moving on the quicker side, but not quick enough. We could still see some flooding and some debris flow from this as we head out toward the Inland Empire. Quite a bit lighter here, but this is the heaviest part that's going to be rolling through Los Angeles that we've been talking about this morning. Peak intensity lasting anywhere from about 20 to 30 minutes, but we do have this flash flood warning, and that's for any given location. Flash flood warnings are in place, meaning that it is ongoing or it is imminent. It's expected to begin shortly for portions of LA County from Malibu all the way out to Long Beach and toward El Monte and Altadena as well. Severe thunderstorm warnings also in place, soon to expire by about 12:15. Hazards being 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and brief weak tornadoes possible as well. We have a lot of convection within this system and some of these cells that are pushing through Southern California, and that means a brief weak tornado is possible. Flood advisories now extend into Orange County as we get a little closer into some of this moving a little farther south. So this is what's going to happen today. A 3 to 4 hour period of some moderate rainfall, maybe strong at times, of rain, but also some wind. 20 to 30 minutes of that peak intensity I was just talking about. Small brief tornadoes possible, and then about 1 to 2 feet of snow above 6,000 feet tomorrow night's when snow levels drop. The Grapevine could see those impacts as early as tomorrow night. That's when the storms begin to get a little colder this week. Philip, Colleen, I'll send it back to you.
All right, Brianna, thank you. And as we mentioned earlier, our recent burn scar areas, they are under evacuation warnings as this storm could trigger mudslides and debris flows. As you can see from this map, those areas are highlighted in yellow. Again, these are just warnings, but those living in these areas should be ready to pack up and go. Altadena is one of those areas of concerns because it's located in the Eaton Fire burn scar zone.
It's also one of the areas currently under an evacuation warning. With the very latest on the conditions there, Eyewitness News reporter Rob Hayes joins us live in Altadena. Rob.
Yeah, here we go again. Folks in the Eaton Fire burn zones are watching this heavy rain come down, and they're hoping that the hillsides behind them and above them continue to hold. Now, the good news is many of the slopes after a year are green again. That means vegetation has grown back, and hopefully the roots are deep enough to anchor the soil and keep it from coming down. That's especially important in places like the foothill neighborhoods in Hastings Ranch. Now, this is video from about a year ago when it rained right after the Eaton Fire over there at Hastings Ranch. A mud flow rolled down into this cul-de-sac on Park Vista Drive. No one was hurt, but cars were damaged. Several of the properties there had to be cleaned up. Now, folks who live here say neighbors have since reinforced that hillside.
Our neighbor did a very good job clean the